Okay guys, so we're doing really well. What we've done is we've just put some temporary supports on these posts. These are the right height to line up nicely across with here, with the timbers that are going to be going on. So we're going to have a head plate, and then we'll have the roof joists, or the ceiling joists going across. Got a triple timber on the edge there, a double there. And now if you just put these putting a second timber in the back of this steel. This steel ends here, so we've done a double 2x7 here to span across. Look at this, very nice. We've got the back wall of the dormer in place, and that is bang on level, which is really good. And we've just measured from there to here, and from there to there, and we are bang on square, which is really good. So yeah, from this point here, the outside, this is just a brace, so you can ignore this bit. From this part here, all the way to the inside web of that steel is exactly the same distance as it is from the outside of that one to the inside web of that steel over there. So it's good, it's really, really good. And we're bang on this 7x2. Which is good. So once we've finished putting the rafters across and all the rest of it, all these, and we've put up some of these more external bits, then these supports can come out. But yeah, it's going well. It's nice and flush. Chris, you happy?
Happy.
So here we are. First one notched in, notched out, ready to go. And look at that. What a beauty. Straight across over to there. We'll just keep doing this, carrying on the whole way along. Right, so we have started getting the rafters up now. It's looking really, really good, very, very strong. So with this one here, we've obviously got double spaced out here because we've got fairings to go on which provide the slope of the roof, and we've also got the OSB and the insulation going on top, because like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be a warm roof, a warm deck. So we have this spaced out here, so you'll see how and why, same as previously shown. Now it's really important when we're doing this, and you'll see here, you can check my work, perfectly flush. This is just a packer. Here we can actually take this off now, but these are perfectly flush the whole way along, all the way down there, nice and flush, so that we can get them butted right up. We don't want any sticking out, so that's really good. And then what I was doing is I was taking a noggin, that noggin there, and I was using that as the spacer here. We obviously don't need any noggins there, but we did at that end, so we've got the noggin in between each one there, but nothing at this end. And we're going to have a row of noggins in the middle as well. Yeah, we are as much done as we can be for today. So we put a head plate on here, top plate, the whole way along, underneath the 7x2s. So I don't think I explained it fully just now, but we've got a 7x2, a packer, and then another 7x2. Okay, so the reason that we do that is to allow somewhere for the plasterboard to register on. Just makes it life easier, much easier now doing it than it does trying to add timbers in later. And then we've run a row of 2x4s up here, so when the OSB's here we can sheath the outside of the building, so that's nice and sturdy. And we're going to be doing the same. We've got a few more timbers that we can do this with. And the dormer is almost finished. I reckon we'll have this done by the end of the week. Chris, by the end of the week? Yeah, 2 more days. 2 more days and the dormer will be finished. So it's looking good. Right, so we have now finished doing the joists up pretty much the whole way up. All we're doing now is clearing the end where we're going to be putting a double joist, much like this one. We're going to be putting a double joist at the end there, which is going to be shorter because of the chimney. So we're just clearing space for the chimney now, clearing space around the front of the chimney so that we can line that up. These are all nicely in line, which is great. So I've just quickly run in a row of noggins right in the middle here. And what we've done is we've temporarily used timber locks to secure up this timber here, which is holding up the end row. Obviously we're going to be building a wall here, which is ultimately going to support it. And again, we've done the additional row here just to help support the plasterboard when we come to install that. So yeah, things are going well. We're getting through it really, really quickly. So we have finished putting on the joists, we've done the row of noggins. Now we're going to be putting the furrings on. These here obviously provide the slope of the roof to allow the water to run off. You can see they're long, that's fine. What we do is we nail them all the way along, make sure they're nice and butted up against that end there. We're going to be adding on 2 shorter ones here, but we'll do those after. Nail them down and then run a line and cut them off. In fact, you don't even need to run a line. You can see the line here is perfectly straight, so we'll just get the circular saw up here and just run straight across them, cut them off.